Lake effect snow brought hazardous conditions to the Erie region on Black Friday, prompting the National Weather Service in Cleveland to issue a lake effect snow warning. By Friday afternoon, the city of Erie declared a snow emergency as heavy snowfall and icy roads disrupted the area.
So I was out there shoveling again. This is a good 2 to 3 feet of snow.
The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation announced the closure of a 25-mile stretch of Interstate 90 near Erie, running along the Lake Erie shoreline due to hazardous conditions.
Okay, so it is Black Friday. When I came into work this morning, there was no accumulation at 4 a.m.
Meteorologists cautioned that certain regions could be paralyzed by the storm. In western New York, snowfall totals had already reached 17 inches by midday Friday. According to the National Weather Service in Cleveland, the Erie area was expected to receive between 41 and 63 inches of snow from Friday morning through Sunday night.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to...
Travel disruptions were widespread. Erie International Airport in Pennsylvania shut down Friday afternoon, while airports such as MBS International in Michigan and Akron Canton in Ohio worked to de-ice aircraft, according to the FAA. This storm, which had already delivered over 8 inches of snow to parts of Marquette County in Michigan's Upper Peninsula earlier in the week, was intensifying. Meanwhile, Watertown, New York, which had only recorded less than an inch of snow as of Friday afternoon, was bracing for nearly 6 feet of accumulation over the weekend.
Do this in shifts. It is really bad, guys. Really bad.
In New York, Governor Kathy Hochul declared a state of emergency for 11 counties as forecasters anticipated extreme impacts east of Lake Ontario and along the Lake Erie shore through Monday morning.